Hey guys, so I'm here today to talk to you, and actually I was about what I thought halfway through this video before I realized I was not recording. But I have the Sinfulcolors and Vanessa hudgens. Forgot how to say your name for a second there. Their highlighting collection. I've got a few different products, but I've specifically got the highlighter sticks. And there is two iridescent shades. One is a pink iridescent, one is a blue, and then two goldy shades of rose gold and then a traditional gold. They come with quite a bit of product, as you can see. It's expanded all the way out. These are quite gold for me, or dark for me, whenever I have on foundation. If I go without foundation, then I can get by with these, but as you can see, that was very, very dark for my skin tone. I don't know what's wrong with my phone. It just keeps flipping out when I'm trying to use it today, and I need to get some videos recorded for you guys because I've run through all my back filming besides tech videos, which I've got a lot of those filmed. And then this one is the rose goldy color. This one is called Afterglow, and this is rose gold glow, not gold. And this one is Glow Potion. This is the pink iridescent, which you can see there. And then this is Get Lit. I'm actually wearing this one today with the lightest shade from the Kirsten Leanne highlighting palette. It's a nice blue iridescent highlighter. I feel like that one is probably the strongest of the two iridescent ones. The pink one is just very not in your face like this blue one is. And then with these two, I kind of feel like the rose gold one's more pow in your face. They are super creamy and soft, and I like using them with powders on top of them to help make those powders pop. And that's just how I tend to wear cream highlighters, unless I'm doing like no foundation kind of thing, then I'll pop these on by themselves. But overall, I'm really enjoying these highlighter sticks. These two, like I said, I can get by with on days where I don't wear any foundation. Then with the redness of my face, these actually work for me. They do kind of highlight the redness, but really anything, it's just like here. I'm red. There's not really any way of disguising that besides putting on a full face of makeup, which most of the time I don't feel up to doing, or don't have the time to do. So I would say out of the four, my favorite is going to be the Get Lit, which is the blue iridescent. This is the one that I've used the most. I just love it. Like, they have so many choices that work with so many skin tones, and they're really great. They kind of remind me of the Wet n Wild highlighter sticks that came out a few years ago, but creamier. They definitely blend better, and they pop a lot more too. Those didn't seem to like be in your face. I did do a comparison the other day where I wore each one to try to be able to give you guys my honest thoughts, basically. But I would say if you're into cream highlighters, then I would go check these out and see which one you would like, because there's got to be something for everyone as long as you're into these. If you don't like cream highlighters, stay away. But if you don't mind them or you do like them, then check them out. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what your thoughts are on these if you have tried these, and I will talk to you later. Please subscribe and like this video. Bye.
Right before